Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to throw a line in Excel. So very easy and simple method. You can throw a line in Excel. So firstly you need to type need to throw a line in this letter. So just select this letter and right click on it and click on format cells. Here you see this structure. So just click on it and here need to click on OK, and here you see this preview, just click on OK. So you see this will be very easily you can add this throw line in Word. You see this, so this way you can very easily add line in throw line in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.